Alright, welcome back. On this episode of the OG, we're going to show you just how easy it is to replace your damaged wheel studs. Here we are with this stud. You can see she is mangled. More than likely that happened at the dealership and there's careless and whatnot. So first step to replace this, we got to pull the caliper off. I'm just going to pull the whole thing off. I'm not going to remove the pads or anything like that. We'll just set it up on top. Then we'll pull off the disc rotor here and then go from there. So let's see how this looks. Alright, I just used the zip tie. Got the whole piece out. Just these two bolts here. We're going to go clean those up with some brake cleaner. We'll spray that down before we put it back on. So, what are we looking at? What do we got? What is it? This one right here. And get it to a side where it's open on the back, like right over here. Like maybe like that. Sure. And we're gonna hammer it out. Alright, well, it's kind of a pain in the ass because it doesn't fit out of there very well, but there's the old one. Picked up some new ones here. Let's see. Hopefully they're the same. They look to be. Should be as simple as just getting it in there and tell you what. I thought they'd leave you a little more room to do this. I really don't. Fix that. There you go. Just bend that back. Ha! Like a glove. And there's this tool that I just picked this up from the auto parts store. Wheel stud installer. Apparently you just put this on there and use your impact or a regular wrench and it should pull it through. So let's see what happens. Well guys, that worked really slick. So you just get the new one started from the back and you got a bearing on one side that goes towards the axle. Take one of your lug nuts, get it started on there, and it will go. Get it all the way in there so it's inside the tapered end of this tool here. About that much should be sticking out. Get your impact on there or just a regular wrench and just tighten it up and you can watch it suck it right in. And then just back it off and they're done. Super easy. I will tell you, but a cheaper way to do this, make your own type of tool like this. I know there's some YouTube channels that have had some different things with washers and stuff and nuts, but to me, to have it on there right, and now I know I've had other ones with issues. I've had to take it to the tire shop to have them replace them, and when I do brakes and stuff, now I can do it myself. So that was easy. So big win there. All right, now I'm going to spray this all down and clean it, put it back on, get our brakes back on. Should slide right back on since we haven't pressed the pedal or anything. Brake pads are still good, and we'll get the tire back on this side. All right guys, that was success. Wheels back on, got them torqued down. I just took it for a spin, tested on it, perfect. We are back in business. Just as easy. So, save yourself a couple dollars, go get yourself a steak dinner, maybe a lobster. I don't know what you guys are into, you know, whatever you like. Maybe you just want some cold snacks. Just go, you know, take the money you're saving by just doing a few things yourself and reward yourself with it, you know. That's what it's all about. We'll see you next time.